you need a 10mm socket. These hoods are made of aluminum, so they corrode a lot, especially around here where this thing is here. I don't know what it's called. This is what the lock grabs onto when you close the hood. You get a lot of corrosion in here. I cleaned it out with a wire brush, then I repainted it with several coats of white, just a white Rust-Oleum to help stop the corrosion. Then I put it anywhere else I saw corrosion, or like here there were some scratches, so I put the paint where the bare metal was exposed to prevent it from corroding. So you want to make sure you do that. Make sure there aren't any nicks or chips. If there are, then you're going to want to clean the corrosion off of the little aluminum inside that little chip, and then seal it with some touch-up paint. I was able to get it on by myself, but I don't recommend that. Recommend you get 2 or 3 people to help you hold it and then put the bolts in. This is why you want to get a bumper guard on your truck. It was raining out and I couldn't slow down in time, so I hydroplaned, and when you slow down, your vehicle drops down. So the truck hit their bumper, bounced right over, hit mine here, and then did all that, but that's only the beginning of it. Broke this fiberglass frame for the headlights, smashed this part in here, it smashed the radiator in, just replaced the radiator, so it's still bent in there. I had to have somebody come with their truck and physically pull this out with the chain attached to their vehicle. See, it's never going to be perfect again, but they pulled it out enough so I was able to put the new radiator in. Showing you this so you can learn from my mistake. You should have a bumper guard. Now we're going to reinstall the lines for the window washer sprayers that spray on the windshield, and we're going to hook back up the light, the hood light that's under here. Take the existing hose that we left here from the pump, stick it on this spot here, push it in. Do the same for this one on the end. Push it in, and pop these things back in if you can. They don't want to go in, so I might end up just zip tying those. We'll see. Let's see if I can push these in with the pliers. There we go. Then we have to reattach that light. Has this thing, put that in first like that, and then you push this down, and that's it. Then you reinstall your little light bulb. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.